The Sri Lankan salmon curry is one of my favorite dishes to make during my fat loss journey because it's delicious, packed with protein, and you can make it in 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and then add mustard seeds. Let the flavors and oils come out. Add a piece of cinnamon to the pan and mix well. Then add finely chopped garlic and stir well until it's brown. Add onions and then goes in the tomato. Add curry leaves and some cloves. 200 milliliters of skimmed coconut milk goes in and stir everything well. 1 teaspoon of turmeric goes in. You can see the curry is turning into a beautiful yellow color. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of curry powder to enhance the flavor. Bring the dish to a simmer and then add your salmon. Coat the salmon well with the sauce. Close the lid and let the heat do the work for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and turn off the heat. Salmon curry is now ready to plate. I love having this one with egg fried rice. Don't forget to add a few spoonfuls of that liquid goodness too. I will include the macro breakdown in the description. Try this at home and let me know how you go. See you next time. Enjoy!